Hello, mister.
Hello, sir.
What's up?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah Ansari.
So, Mr. Abdullah, what do you do here at MIIT Center?
I'm a student here and I learn coding, web designing, in which I learn front end, back end, and I learn MS Office also. And here is an excellent course running on, that is English speaking.
That's very good. And you are speaking very good English. How did you learn?
That is all credit goes to think my teachers I learned here when I came.
That's very good. So, what do you think about MIT? What kind of institution is this?
I think according to my opinion, I would say undoubtedly that it is the number one leading, you can say, institution in terms of coding and web development in my area.
That's very good. So, what about learning environment over here at MIIT? What you experienced?
Learning environment and experience is very good. When I came here, I knew nothing. Even knew what is computer. This is not known by me. So I'm telling you that when I came here, I learned everything from zero. And right now, where I am standing, you can see how I'm speaking.
That's very good. We can see your profile. You are a very good English speaker right now, and also as you told that you have learned a lot more things over here in technology, like web designing, development,
Okay.
and coding classes.
Yes.
That's very good. What is your future plan?
My future plan is to become an excellent full stack developer, and then in the future maybe I can be an ethical hacker.
That's very good. So, what do you think? MIIT has given you something to help you to find your goal?
Okay, when I was in my school, I had everything
Yeah.
apart from the thing that right now I have. But when I came here, not something, everything I got from only MIIT. All credit goes to what I learned in computer and English communication. Everything I got here.
That's good. So, how are they teaching you over here? Means how your classes is going on, and how are they giving you the practical things and all? Can you explain?
Like you see a video live on YouTube, you are watching match, that is a 6 and that is a 4. In the same way, similarly, our teacher is here teaching in the classroom that live running project is going on there. He not only telling you the concept, he is telling you concepts and teaching you and making it practical and teaching you by projector also. Only this is the institution who use projector to teach live.
About faculties over here?
In my opinion, faculty is only the post and name here. When you are in the skill, when you are in any school or college, so you have a specific kind of fear in the back of your mind. You cannot ask everything directly to your teacher, everywhere in front of them. And when I'm here, so our teacher understands us as our friend, and I can openly ask them everything and anything in front of him, no matter he is standing in classroom, no matter he is standing in the out of this institution.
That's good. Means overall you are getting good services over here.
Yes.
That's good. What would you like to recommend other students?
I would like to recommend every student after 10th who is just going into 11th. They should definitely come here in this institution, because I was late when I went in 12th, then I came here, and now I am regretting. If I had come 1 year before, then I would be doing and earning a lot more from here.
That's very good. What will you speak about spoken English class?
It is not, you can say, like vacation. It goes all the year, whole year. Whenever you want, you wish, you can come, you can take admission, and it is running. It will run the class by your wish, when you want, in the morning, in the evening, in the noon. So it is very good environment, and our teacher is also, when you will meet him, you will understand that he is from English speaking country. He is a foreigner. You will get every kind of thing, like learning English and accent also. He provides a lot more out of the world confidence and knowledge.
So what do you think, if the students, those who don't know English, are coming over here at MIIT. So, will they speak English like you?
Definitely he can. Only one thing he will have to do is learn vocabulary if you do not have enough. Other rest the thing our teacher has the capability to do. So like you have seen me in this video, I am speaking. I had vocabulary but didn't have how to make sentences and how to speak, and I got everything from here.
Okay, so is MIIT offering to the students all these things what is speaking in this video?
Why not? English speaking environment is all about that thing, whatever you are talking. So it is providing and offering all the things. Not only offering teaching live in the projector, even English communication classes are going on in the projector. You can imagine how capable of a teacher and this institution would be.
Okay, thanks for your opinion. So finally, tell us more about MIIT.
Okay, I tell you a little story. When I was in 12th, my father said me, you should have a little extra background. Like if you fail in something, you should have extra backup background in which you can make your earning career. So he told me, go and join any computer institution. I didn't know about anything computer. I even know only computer and spelling of computer. No any other thing than that. So I researched a lot of the institution. Only one thing I was getting in front of the Google page, that MIIT, location is here. He teach English speaking, coding and a lot of the thing. When I searched what the thing he is teaching, then I got that you can become a software engineer, an ethical hacker and a lot more thing when you come here. You can develop a website, you can speak faster and fluent like me. So I just came here and I joined it, and now I'm what you can see.
That's very good. Thank you so much, Abdullah, for your opinion. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.